It is not the slumber of reason that engenders monsters, but vigilant and insomniac rationality. Art is not communicative, art is not reflexive. Art, science, philosophy are neither contemplative, neither reflexive, nor communicative. They are creative, that's all. Intuition is neither a feeling, an inspiration, or a disorderly sympathy, but a fully developed method. Bring something incomprehensible into the world. Photography, if there is photography, is already snapped, already shot, in the very interior of things and for all points of space. Write, form a rhizome, increase your territory by deterritorialization, extend the line of flight to the point where it becomes an abstract machine covering the entire plane of consistency. You never walk alone. Even the devil is the lord of flies. Images exist, things themselves are images. Images constantly act on and react to one another, produce and consume. There is no difference between images, things and movement. A creator is someone who creates their own impossibilities, and thereby creates possibilities. There's no democratic state that's not compromised to the very core by its part in generating human misery. A concept is a brick. It can be used to build a courthouse of reason. Or it can be thrown through the window. There's no need to fear or hope, but only to look for new weapons. The fundamental problem of political philosophy is still precisely the one that Spinoza saw so clearly, and that Wilhelm Reich rediscovered: why do men fight for their servitude as stubbornly as though it were their salvation? A tyrant institutionalizes stupidity, but he is the first servant of his own system and the first to be installed within it. The conditions of a true critique and a true creation are the same: the destruction of an image of thought which presupposes itself and the genesis of the act of thinking in thought itself. Something in the world forces us to think. This something is an object not of recognition but of a fundamental encounter. It's not easy to see things from the middle, rather than looking down on them from above or up at them from below, or from left to right or right to left. Try it, you'll see that everything changes. Writing has nothing to do with meaning. It has to do with land surveying and cartography, including the mapping of countries yet to come. Underneath all reason lies delirium and drift.